Artificial intelligence is clever stuff. It can beat us at chess, it can write a poem, it can even compose a symphony. But does this make it an artist? Can a machine truly be creative, or is it simply mimicking the data it's been fed? These are the questions we find ourselves grappling with as AI takes increasingly daring strides into the world of creativity. For centuries, we've considered art a uniquely human endeavor, a way to express our emotions, our thoughts, our dreams. It's the fingerprint of our soul, the evidence of our sentience. But now, AI is challenging this notion. Algorithms are churning out paintings, composing music and writing poetry that wouldn't look out of place in a gallery or a concert hall. This begs the question, are we witnessing the birth of a new artistic movement, one where robots are the painters, poets and musicians, or is AI simply a tool, a sophisticated paintbrush in the hands of humanity? AI isn't just dabbling in creativity, it's diving headfirst into a pool of artistic possibilities. Let's explore the fascinating ways AI is making its mark across various creative sectors. One area where AI is flourishing is visual art. Algorithms like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney can generate stunningly realistic and imaginative images from text descriptions. Want a portrait of a cat riding a unicorn through space? AI can conjure that up in seconds. Music is another playground for AI's creative potential. Platforms like Amper and Jukebox are composing original pieces in various genres, from classical symphonies to catchy pop tunes. Some musicians are even collaborating with AI, using it as a songwriting partner or a tool to create unique soundscapes. Even the world of literature hasn't escaped AI's reach. AI-powered writing assistants can help authors overcome writer's block, generate story ideas, and even write different sections of a novel. While a fully AI-authored bestseller might still be a way off, the lines are blurring. Let's move from the theoretical to the tangible and explore some concrete examples of AI's creative output. In 2018, the art auction house Christie's sold its first AI-generated artwork, Portrait of Edmund Bellamy, for a staggering $432,500. The piece, created by an algorithm called Generative Adversarial Network, GAN, sparked a global conversation about the nature of art and AI's role in it. In the realm of music, AI composer AIVA, Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist, made history by becoming the first non-human composer to be recognized by a professional music association. AIVA's compositions have been featured in films, video games, and even a ballet performance. On the literary front, OpenAI's GPT-3 language model generated a short story titled The Story of Your Life, which was published in The Guardian in 2020. The story, while not without its flaws, showcased AI's potential to craft narratives and evoke emotions. These examples highlight the remarkable progress AI has made in mimicking and, dare we say, mastering certain aspects of human creativity. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Can AI truly be creative, or is it simply a sophisticated mimicry of human creativity? The answer, like most things in life, is nuanced. Human creativity stems from a complex web of emotions, experiences, and subconscious impulses. We draw inspiration from the world around us, our relationships, our joys and sorrows. Our art is a reflection of our unique inner world. AI, on the other hand, lacks this lived experience. It operates on algorithms and data sets. Its creativity is, in essence, a form of sophisticated pattern recognition and manipulation. It can analyze vast amounts of data, paintings, music, literature, and identify patterns and trends. It can then use this information to generate new works that adhere to those patterns. So while AI can create works that are aesthetically pleasing and even thought-provoking, it lacks the emotional depth and originality that often characterize the best human art. This brings us to the heart of the debate. Can we consider AI an artist in its own right? There are compelling arguments to be made on both sides. Those who believe AI can be artists argue that the creative process is, at its core, a form of problem-solving. AI, with its ability to process information and generate novel solutions, is simply using a different set of tools to achieve the same goal. They argue that judging AI art by human standards is a fool's errand. AI is a new form of intelligence, and its creativity should be evaluated on its own terms. On the other hand, skeptics argue that art is inextricably linked to human experience. It's about expressing our emotions, our perspectives, our understanding of the world. AI, lacking these qualities, can only ever be a pale imitation of true human artistry. They argue that bestowing the title of artist on AI diminishes the very essence of what it means to be human. The rise of AI art also raises a host of ethical questions that we, as a society, need to grapple with. For instance, who owns the copyright to AI-generated art? The programmer who created the algorithm, the user who input the prompts, or does the AI itself have any claim to ownership? Furthermore, there's the issue of potential bias. AI algorithms are trained on vast data sets, and if these data sets are skewed or incomplete, they can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases. This raises concerns about the potential for AI art to reinforce harmful stereotypes. Then there's the question of authenticity and deception. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it will become harder to distinguish between human-created and AI-generated art. This raises concerns about plagiarism, fraud, and the potential devaluation of human creativity. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we should embrace its potential as a powerful creative collaborator. Imagine a future where artists and AI work hand in hand, each amplifying the other's strengths. AI can assist artists with tedious tasks, such as color mixing, brushstroke selection, or generating musical variations. This frees up human artists to focus on the conceptual and emotional aspects of their work. AI can also introduce artists to new ideas and techniques, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. This collaboration can lead to the creation of entirely new art forms that blend the best of human and artificial creativity. Imagine interactive installations where AI responds to viewers' emotions, or symphonies where human musicians improvise alongside AI-generated melodies. The emergence of AI in the creative realm is undoubtedly disruptive. It challenges our long-held beliefs about the nature of art and the role of the artist. But rather than fearing this disruption, we should embrace the possibilities it presents. AI has the potential to democratize art, making it more accessible to those who may not have the time, resources, or skills to pursue traditional artistic practices. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their background, can use AI tools to express their creativity, tell their stories, and share their unique perspectives with the world. Furthermore, AI can help us to see the world in new and unexpected ways. By analyzing vast data sets of human culture and creativity, AI can identify patterns and connections that we might otherwise miss. This can lead to new insights, new forms of expression, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Looking ahead at AI and creativity. The future of AI and creativity is brimming with potential. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking and thought-provoking art emerging from this unlikely partnership between human and machine. We might witness the rise of AI art critics, curators, and even collectors. We might see AI algorithms composing film scores, choreographing dance performances, or even designing entire virtual worlds. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Rather than fearing the rise of the machines, let's embrace the potential of this new creative era. Let's work alongside AI, not as competitors, but as collaborators. Let's explore the uncharted territories of this new artistic landscape and see what wonders we can create together. Who knows? We might even be on the cusp of a new renaissance, one where human and artificial creativity combine to produce works of breathtaking beauty and profound meaning.